Good morning, students. Today we will start the chapter 11. Chapter 10 we have done, and hopefully you don't have any doubt. Now in chapter 11 we are having the topic our body. We know that our body is a kind of machine which is built up by itself, is it? And different kind of things are there by which our body is running. And because of that machines and all, we are getting the power to think, to move, to walk, is it? So some functions of our body as related with the questions is already given in your book. Let us discuss once what is given. Where and when does the air from your body reach hurricane speed? From where? What speed you can understand hurricane? How much speedy it is, tornado and all. So which part? It is actually in our nose when we sneeze. So the power of our sneezing is similar with that speed. Clear? So where it is? In our nose when we sneeze. After that, second question, apart from bones, which other part of the body uses most of the calcium in your body? What is that? Teeth. It is actually uses most of the calcium of our diet system. Clear? What? Teeth. Number third question is that in which part of the human body would you find the smallest bone? We know that one. Where it is? It is in the ear. Okay. Scapula. The name of that bone is scapula. So ear. What is the part? Ear. Why is blood in your arteries brighter than the blood in your veins? Because it contains more oxygen than the veins. Clear? Arteries actually contains more oxygen in the blood. For that reason it looks brighter than the veins. Clear? It contains more oxygen. After that, can you name the largest muscle in your body and at which place it is located? Largest is gluteus maximus. Where it is located actually? It is located in our thigh and buttock. Clear? So, what is the name of that largest muscle? The largest muscle name is gluteus maximus. And where it contains actually, where it is? It is actually in our thighs and buttocks. Clear? Why can't you see a nose on a skull? Because it is made of some rubbery cartilage. It is not made with bone. That is why we can see. Okay, it is made with rubbery cartilage. Clear? After that, the next question is that what do we call the liquid that carries the blood cells? We know it that as a plasma. These are actually known as plasma. After that, what is the formation of blood cells called? The formation of blood cells called hemophoesis. What is that? Hemophoesis. It is the process of making blood cells. Clear? Making blood cells. Clear? After that, what are the technical names of the upper and lower blood pressure readings? Upper systolic and lower diastolic. Upper systolic and lower diastolic. It is the blood pressure system. Name of the blood readings. Generally we are telling the blood pressure readings. Okay. Upper is systolic and lower is diastolic. After that, the question is that which muscles are the most active and exercise to over 1 lakh times a day? Which one? That is our eye muscles. Okay, it is actually the muscle which we are activating most and exercise. We know that one. How frequently it is just activating. So, eye muscles. Number 11. Which teeth are the third molars and are always the last to come out? We know. With that, wisdom teeth. Is it? And it is only actually the last. After that, the next question. Name the very narrow blood vessels which form a network between arteries and veins. What is that? Capillaries. So, these are the questions that are already given in your book. Just go through it. This one no need to write in the copy. Places are already provided. Just write down there. Just learn with the question answer that which body part consists of what, where it is located and how it is used. How it is helping us to actually move our body and all. Which part is actually activated, where and how it is working. These all things are actually related to our body. This is our last chapter for the first unit. Okay, up to this our first unit syllabus. So just go through with all the chapters. Okay, and if you get any doubt in any chapter, just text me. Okay, you know Tenno, you can text me, or in the comment box you also can ask me the questions and queries if you are having about the chapters. Hopefully you will not get, because chapters are very clear, and which type of question answer will come, that also I have discussed. Okay, so hopefully you will not get doubt. Now what is your work? Which chapter I said to write in the copy, that you will write with the question answer. You will learn as short notes and all. Clear? And definitely other than this, if again you will find any doubt, definitely ask me, I'll solve that one. Until then, just learn all the chapters, chapter 1 to 11, chapter 1 to 11, revise it properly, and hopefully you'll prepare properly, because chapters are very easy. Okay, just you have to learn with the question answer and the techniques I said how to learn and all. Clear? This much all. Thank you, class.